Wes got Bradley a pogo stick.
I can't back on it. I don't know.
Gotta keep trying until you get it. You just gotta keep hopping up there. Let Mama show you how it's done.
How much are
Don't
you?
fall and hurt yourself.
I had one of these when I was like 9. Mine wasn't that fancy though.
Oh, that hurts without shoes. Ow.
Oh gosh, I quit.
Lucas like, we all forgot about it.
Oh.
I went up.
I just came home from swimming, so that's why I look like this. I have not filmed a whole lot of the camper lately because I've been super busy. I let a single mother of 3 move in with me, and I've been busy taking her to job interviews and getting applications for apartments and different things she needs to do. So I've just been really busy with all of that this summer or the past 2 weeks. So I just haven't had a whole lot of time to film or edit or work on the camper or anything else that I need to be doing. So I figured while Luke is napping, I was going to come out here and show you what I have done, because I have painted some, but my camera, I just didn't bring my camera with me and my camera was dead at the time and I didn't have time to charge it and blah blah blah. Really bad at YouTubing. Right here, this girl. But I have been painting the kitchen and my bedroom. I need about 1 or 2 more coats in my bedroom, and the inside of the camper paint wise will be done. I just need to touch up some places on the trim that were messed up, but I'm almost finished painting the inside of the camper, and I just need to finish the flooring in the kitchen and decorating, and it's gonna be done. So I'm done painting in the kitchen and living room area. So I'm going to be putting decorations on the wall today. So I thought I would film that and show you guys. But I'm so excited that it's almost finished. I need to finish covering the cushions and all that still. But every day I'm doing a little bit and working towards getting it done. So I'm getting really excited because it's getting so close, you guys. So close. It is still quite a mess in here. Let's see if my camera will focus. Come on. I don't know. I like this camera in a lot of ways, but in a lot of ways I haven't quite figured it out yet. Okay, so I painted the kitchen white and then this blue color. I still need to take all the tape off of the trim. I need to cover the kitchen table and countertop still. Actually, I don't even know if I'm going to, because they're in pretty good shape. I just need to clean everything off of it, obviously, and put the cushions back. I'm going to be putting a TV here eventually. That'll probably be the last thing I do. I have the TV, but I don't want it like messed up or broken or stolen out here. So I just want to do that like right before we go camping in it. And yeah, I'm going to be putting up the decor on the walls in here today before it gets dark. So I really need to get to that. So I'm going to get that stuff out and get it done. Over here is my room. It's only got like whitewashed 1 coat over on this side of the room. So I need to do a couple more coats of white in here and it'll be done. But I'm going to have to take this bed out of here so I don't get paint on the mattress. And I'm honestly really considering, after laying on that thing and like kneeling on it to paint, it's really uncomfortable just for a few minutes. So I don't think I'm going to be able to sleep on that. So we're probably going to be putting a different mattress in here altogether. More than likely. So, oh well. Alright, so let's get some decor going. Alright Alright, these are the decor items I have for the living room and kitchen area, so I'm going to be putting those up today. I'm going to be doing a honeycomb backsplash in the kitchen, so I need to do that once I get one more coat of paint. I don't know. I don't even think I need to do one more coat because I'm going to be covering all of that in the honeycomb backsplash. But I need to take this spice rack off, and I'm going to need my husband's help. I already know. And I need to do it when I have more light out because it's going to be dark soon. I have no idea where I really want everything just yet, so I'm just going to be playing with it today. So don't judge me. I'm probably going to be moving things around. If I don't like where it's at, I can move it later, but we're just playing to get an idea of where or how I want things to look. I like this would go best right here. It's got like a little pocket macrame thing here. So we're just gonna put a little nail in the wall. I know a lot of people don't like to use nails in their campers and they use command hooks for everything, but I don't mind these tiny little nails if it will hold. I'm not a huge fan of the command hooks because they just have not been working great for me. Alright, first one up. Alright, so which one should I put over here? This one maybe?
Yeah. Yeah, right there.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. I like it.
Okay.
Also, I like this paint.
You do?
It's really pretty.
Thank you. You're really pretty.
You're really pretty too.
Oh, you're so I feel like I'm gonna break the wall with this hammer. Tiny little nails don't have a head that you can really grab to pull it out, and I pushed it in too far. Trying to pull it out with my fingernails is not working. Just lovely.
Peace out, bro.
Peace out, bro. Yourself, bro.
Peace out, bro. Peace out.
What you know about peace out, bro?
Somebody said it.
Who said it? That's not working. That one just might be in there forever.
Yeah, we'll just keep it there.
Man, give me another nail. A little one. Put them on this table so we don't spill them. Thank you. Thank you.
Blah, 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 blah. I didn't know trees can grow on,
You smashed my finger.
I didn't know, grass can grow on,
Alright, bring me the picture.
roots.
Bring me that picture right there. Yep, it can grow in the gutters. We've got... She's talking about the weeds growing in the gutters, y'all. Thank you.
No, in the, roof.
Yeah. I know.
Hi, guys.
What you think? You like that?
Yeah, I like it. It's good.
Thanks. I'm in my jammies. That's how this day's went. It is 8:30 right now, so.
It's almost
judge me.
nighttime.
I wish the lighting was good this way, but it's not because the window is right here where the sun was. So, not great. Not the best lighting, but I love my little kitchen.
I'm jumping on your bed.
Oh, thank you. Let's not break yet, please. Okay, so I got this
I
little
like your wallet.
Can't More Worry Less thing. I'm gonna hang on the... Obviously, I'm gonna wash this before we go camping, but for decoration and picture purposes, I'm gonna go
I like
ahead.
it.
I'm gonna go ahead and put it up. Don't mess it up. Let me get a video.
I like it.
Thank you.
I
Alright, let me show them. Cute.
Campsite is fun.
Yeah. Sure is. And then I got this one. It says Camp More, Worry Less. And this one says Happy Camper. We're going to hang this one like up here. I accidentally painted those command hooks a little bit, so I'm probably going to replace those because they look bad now. Alright, so this is horrible lighting. I'll have to get a better video or picture of. Oh my gosh, I really need to clean that window. My house is not really that dirty. It's just the dirty window that makes my house look that dirty. I don't know. I need to pressure wash this window on the outside or just clean it really well. But okay, so I have this little macrame. Wall hanging here with a pocket that we can put things in, maybe or like our TV remote or something. Phone, keys, tablets, so we can find everything, whatever. Over here I have this Keep It Simple sign. I have a little wall damage over here where my stepdad took a corner TV mount, like a 80s, 90s TV cabinet right here out, and we kind of ripped the wall a bit, so I'm going to have to repair that somehow in the future. And then up here I have this Enjoy the Journey sign I got at Hobby Lobby. I don't know if I love it there, but it'll do for now. And it's got cute little vintage campers. Up here I put this sign above the keys. As you come in the door, it says Goodbye Comfort Zone. It has like a picture of the open road. Super adorable. I thought that was a good place for that. Look at my cute little keychain.
It's a key for the...
Alright guys, I'm losing my lighting, so I apologize. I had to wait to film when my son was in bed, so you know, it is what it is. I'm losing the light, and I might have to show you the rest of this tomorrow. So I'm putting this by the door, and I'm putting this vintage camper sign behind the couch, and yeah, I'll show you the rest tomorrow.